This is the Getting Started lesson. We've already learned about development of computer-aided design and why to use AutoCAD. In this video, we're going to learn how to get started with AutoCAD. We're going to learn about the AutoCAD Startup dialog box and unit setup. We're going to learn about the screen layout in AutoCAD, and we're going to learn about how to use the mouse buttons. To get AutoCAD started, you have several different options. You can go down to the icon on the taskbar and start AutoCAD. You can go to your Start menu, start typing AutoCAD. Or, the easiest way is typically just to click the desktop icon to start AutoCAD. The tutorials in this text are based on the assumption that you're using AutoCAD's default settings. If your system's been customized, some of the settings may not work with the step-by-step instructions you see in these tutorials. Mine opened up with Drawing 1 by default, but if I go to the Start tab, you'll see that I have several different options here. The default AutoCAD drawing screen contains the Application menu, the Quick Access toolbar, the Info Center, the ribbon tabs and panels, the Drawing tabs, the Graphics cursor, the main drawing area, View Cube and Navigation toolbar, the Command Prompt area, Model Space tabs, the Status bar, and assorted Quick Access toolbars. Before we get started, we're going to click the down arrow on the Quick Access bar and select the Show Menu Bar to display the AutoCAD menu bar. Now that we have that done, I want to show you the Application menu. The Application menu at the top of the main window contains commonly used file operations. The Quick Access toolbar at the top of the AutoCAD window allows us to quickly access the frequently used commands such as QNew, Open, Save, and also the Undo command. Note that we can customize the Quick Access toolbar by adding and removing sets of options or individual commands. The AutoCAD menu bar is the pull-down menu where all operations of AutoCAD can be accessed. The model tabs allow us to create and access different model space and paper space layouts. The drawing area is the area where models and drawings are displayed. The graphics cursor or crosshairs show the location of the pointing device in the drawing area. The coordinates of the cursor are displayed at the bottom of the screen layout. The cursor's appearance depends on the selected command or option. The command prompt area provides status information for an operation, and it is also the area for data input. Note the command prompt can be docked below the drawing area, as I have shown. If you can't see the coordinates displaying, you can use the customization option to turn the coordinates on and off. Next to the cursor coordinate display is the Status toolbar, showing the status of many commonly used display and construction options. The top section of the screen layout contains customizable icon panels, which contain groups of buttons that allow us to pick commands quickly without searching through a menu structure. These panels allow us to quickly access the commonly used commands available in AutoCAD. The Draw and Modify toolbar panels are the two main panels for creating drawings. The toolbars contain icons for basic draw and modify commands. The Layers Control toolbar panel contains tools to help manipulate the properties of graphical objects. The Viewport View Display Controls panel is located at the upper left corner of the graphics area, and it can be used to quickly access viewing-related commands such as viewport and display style. In addition to the screen that is used for AutoCAD, the mouse is utilized extensively. In learning AutoCAD's interactive environment, it's important to understand the basic functions of the mouse buttons. It is highly recommended that you use a mouse or a tablet with AutoCAD since the package uses the buttons for various functions. The left mouse button is used for most operations, such as selecting menus and icons or picking graphic entities. One click of the button is used to select icon menus and to form entries and to pick graphic items. The right mouse button is used to bring up additional available options.
The software also utilizes the right mouse button the same as the Enter key and is often used to accept the default setting to a prompt or to end a process. The middle mouse button or wheel can be used to pan by holding down the wheel button and dragging the mouse, or to zoom by rotating the wheel in real time. If you want to cancel commands, the Escape key on the keyboard is used to cancel a command in AutoCAD. The Escape key is located near the top left corner of the keyboard. Sometimes it may be necessary to press the Escape key twice to cancel a command. It depends on where you're at in the command sequence. For some commands, the Escape key is used to exit the command. Several types of online help are available at any time during an AutoCAD session. The AutoCAD software provides many online help options. One of the options is the Autodesk Exchange. AutoCAD Exchange provides a user interface for help, learning aids, tips, tricks, videos, and downloadable apps. By default, Autodesk Exchange is displayed at startup. This allows access to a dynamic selection of tools from the Autodesk community. Note, you do need an internet connection to use this option. To leave AutoCAD, you can go up to the Application menu and type Close, or select Close and Current Drawing or All Drawings, or you can hit the X in the upper right corner. It's going to ask you if you want to save your changes, yes if you've done anything, no if you haven't done anything.
It is a good practice to create a separate folder to store your CAD files. You should not save your CAD files in the same folder where the AutoCAD application is located. It's much easier to organize and back up your project files if they're in a separate folder. Making folders within this folder for different types of projects will help you organize your CAD files even further. To create this folder for your CAD drawings, you can right-click on the desktop, go to New, and create New Folder. Name it something that makes sense for the files you're putting into it.